10.83 lakh government schools in India, 42,000 government schools lack a drinking water supply. In fact, 15,000 schools do not have toilets. The Indian education system has a lot of problems. Lack of toilets से लेकर lack of skills तक, there are many problems that exist in the system. Let us start with the infrastructure. Union Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal told Rajya Sabha that out of 10.83 lakh government schools in India, 42,000 government schools lack a drinking water supply. In fact, 15,000 schools do not have toilets. This is the government data. और ये भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि कई बार वाटर कनेक्शन होता तो है लेकिन वो पानी पीने लायक नहीं होता. कई बार टॉयलेट्स प्रेजेंट भी होते हैं स्कूल्स में लेकिन वो यूज करने लायक नहीं होते. लास्ट ईयर एक रिपोर्ट आई थी बाय पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ऑन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स एंड डेवलपमेंट और इस रिपोर्ट के स्टैट्स ऐसे हैं जो आपको शायद शॉक कर देंगे. 44% ऑफ गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स इन दिस कंट्री डू नॉट हैव एक्सेस टू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं होगी तो पढ़ाई कैसे होगी? मेघालय का हाल सबसे ज्यादा बुरा था, वेयर ओनली 18% ऑफ स्कूल हैड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. दिस फिगर वाज 31.05% फॉर उत्तर प्रदेश. Under the integrated Samagra Shiksha scheme, the government wanted to build 1869 toilets for children with special needs. पर बने कितने? सिर्फ 85. This is just 4.55%. We all know the importance of sports and extracurricular activities for students studying in school. But according to this report, only 57% of schools in this country had playgrounds. And then we wonder why India does not produce great sports person despite huge population. Funds were sanctioned to build 1300 labs in the year 2019 to 20. पर बने कितने? खाली 3. यानी कि खाली 3 लैब्स बनी 2019 के एंड तक इस स्कीम के अंडर. आई अग्री दैट दिस रिपोर्ट वाज प्रेजेंटेड इन मार्च 2020. तो हो सकता है कि तब से लेकर अब तक इस डेटा में कुछ चेंज आया हो. बट लुकिंग एट द एटीट्यूड ऑफ आवर गवर्नमेंट टुवर्ड्स एजुकेशन, आई एम नॉट श्योर कि इसमें कुछ मैसिव चेंज आया होगा. आफ्टर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन. वी ऑल नो engineering graduates around us who are either unemployed or are earning very less than they should. While there are many reasons behind this issue, one of the reasons is the lack of skills. A report, Annual Employability Survey 2019 by Aspiring Minds, tells us some serious facts. 80% of engineers are not employable at all. We all know that practical knowledge is extremely important in this field, but the report says that only 40% of engineering students in India perform internships and only 30% undertake projects outside their assigned coursework. ये तो बात हुई engineering की. Many other fields suffer from the same issue, the lack of skills, and hence the unemployability. One thing is very clear, we have a lot of problems starting from school education to college education. पढ़ने वालों की कमी नहीं है लेकिन अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट्स की कमी जरूर है. According to a report, the University of Delhi, which is one of the best universities in India, received 5,63,000 applications last year, whereas the number of seats offered are just 70,000. Other premier universities in India witnessed similar scenes. In सबके बीच में we witnessed COVID-19 and everything turned upside down. Most of the schools and colleges were shut for most of the year and everything had to be shifted online. This is particularly challenging for 3 reasons. Number 1, lack of access to internet and devices. Number 2, lack of digital literacy. And number 3, the impact of online education on practical education and fieldwork, since not everything can be learned on mobile devices and on computer screens. According to UNICEF, more than 247 million children in elementary and secondary schools in India were impacted by COVID-19 and school closures in 2020. इसका long term impact कितना बड़ा होगा और कितना बुरा होगा शायद हम सोच भी नहीं सकते. And one more thing to keep in mind, the impact will be different on girls as compared to boys. The impact will be different on urban kids as compared to rural kids. The impact will be different on students belonging from SC, ST, OBC category as compared to the general category. So it is clear that pandemic has further increased the problem for our education system, and the government must act now to make sure that students get quality education as soon as possible. There are many solutions that can be implemented. Number 1, we have to spend more on our education. India spends just 3 to 4% of its GDP on education. In fact, the budgetary allocation for education this year was slashed by 6% as compared to the allocation that was done last year. Number 2, we have to focus on the infrastructure. For something as basic as school toilets to well-equipped labs, our education system needs a facelift. खाली electricity होना काफी नहीं है, electrical equipment भी होने चाहिए. खाली toilets होना काफी नहीं है, वो toilets use करने लायक भी होने चाहिए. Number 3, we have to shift from books to real life application of knowledge. The country just does not need graduates with degrees. We also need students with the right skills so that they're employable. There are many issues that I've not even touched, but we must have a proper policy and accurate implementation to solve at least some of the problems that I've just mentioned. Because only when we have educated students, we will have a developed country. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.